Charitable gives you a full picture of your fundraising. This video is a quick overview. We'll take deeper dives into each report in later videos. Start at Charitable, then Dashboard for the at-a-glance view. Right at the top are your key numbers: total donations, your average gift, total donors, and any refunds. Those percentages compare this period to the one before, so you can tell if you're trending up or down. The chart plots your donations over time. Switch between the last 7, 14, or 30 days and everything updates instantly. Below, quick tabs surface your top campaigns, your latest donations, your top donors, and your recent comments. For more depth, open the report screen organized into tabs. Overview gives you that same summary, plus a full donations breakdown you can download as a CSV. Advanced is where it gets powerful. The standout is the LYBUNT and SYBUNT report. That's donors who gave last year or some year, but unfortunately not this year, so you know exactly who to re-engage. You'll also find recurring and rewards reports here. Activity is a live feed of donations as they come in. Donors opens your donor level reporting, and ambassadors covers your peer-to-peer performance. Each of these deserves its own video, and they'll get one. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.